Want to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page? Here's how to link Instagram to your Facebook page, step by step. First, make sure you're an admin of the Facebook page you want to connect. Open Facebook, go to your page, then open Settings, and check Page Access. Now open the Instagram app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap Edit Profile, scroll to Profile Information, then tap Page. Tap Continue, log in to Facebook if asked, and select the Facebook page you want to connect. Then tap Connect. To share posts between platforms, go back to your Instagram profile, tap the menu icon, open Settings and Privacy, then tap Cross-Posting and adjust your preferences. That's it. Your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. Like and subscribe for more Instagram and Facebook tips.